7 simple words could completely change your life. But there's a catch. You must keep them to yourself. Let me be clear. If you don't believe in the power of focused intention and inner transformation, this message might not resonate with you. Still here? Great. Because your discovery of this message today is no accident. What I'm about to share has the potential to transform your reality entirely. However, there's one crucial condition. You must keep it a secret. This revelation has already changed countless lives, including that of one man who manifested $4.80 million, but we'll get to his story later. Here's the truth. Most people go through life believing success is all about luck. They buy lottery tickets, hoping for that one moment to change everything. But what if I told you that your destiny isn't shaped by luck? It's shaped by something far more powerful, something already within you. Think about it. How often have you thought of someone and they immediately called you or needed something, and suddenly it appeared in your life? These are not coincidences. They are glimpses of an extraordinary power you already possess. Here's something profound that many manifestation teachers won't tell you. Your imagination isn't just a way to escape reality. It's the blueprint for creating your future. Everything around you, the phone or computer you're using right now, the chair you're sitting in, was once just someone's imagination before it became reality. Think about that for a moment. When you vividly imagine something, your brain begins forming new neural pathways. It's as if your mind is laying the tracks to your destination before the train even exists. This is where most people go wrong. Most people think imagination is just wishful thinking, but it's actually the foundation of all reality. Let me tell you about the Newcastle man I mentioned earlier, the one who manifested $4.8 million. His story is extraordinary because he didn't just imagine winning. He lived his future life in his mind with such vivid detail that it had no choice but to manifest. Every morning, he would wake up and feel the texture of the winning ticket between his fingers. He imagined the exact moment he would check the numbers, the rush of excitement, the plans he'd make with the money. He could feel the leather seats of his dream car, hear the joyful sound of his family celebrating, and even smell the ocean breeze from his new beachfront home. But here's the key difference. He wasn't escaping his current reality. He was building a future so detailed that his brain couldn't distinguish between imagination and reality. Once you grasp this level of imagination, you'll realize it's not about pretending. It's about creating a blueprint so precise that the universe knows exactly what to deliver. Think of a master architect. Before laying a single brick, they can walk through the entire building in their mind. They see every room, every window, every detail. This is the level of imagination you need to master. It's not just about seeing your desired reality. It's about living it, breathing it, and feeling every sensation as if it's happening right now. This is what ancient teachings refer to as living from the end. You're not just visualizing success. You're experiencing it so vividly that your subconscious mind accepts it as your current reality. And here's something fascinating that modern science has uncovered. Something ancient wisdom traditions have known for thousands of years. Your brain, that incredible supercomputer you carry with you, cannot tell the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you imagine something in detail, your brain releases the same neurotransmitters, forms the same neural pathways, and even triggers the same physiological responses as if it were actually happening. This isn't just spiritual talk. It's grounded in hard science. Research has shown that piano players who vividly imagine practicing their scales exhibit nearly identical brain activity to those physically playing. Similarly, athletes who mentally rehearse their performances activate the same muscle memory as they would during physical training. This is why Olympic athletes dedicate almost as much time to visualizing their performance as they do to actual practice. In Buddhism, we are taught how to transform ourselves and the world around us through mindfulness and intention. Just as the Buddha spoke of karma created by the mind, you possess the power to create positive change, not just through action, but through the energy of your thoughts and imagination. This practice leads not only to material success, but also to spiritual fulfillment. Here's where it gets even more profound, and it's something most people overlook. When you combine vivid imagination with sincere emotion, you create what scientists call a coherent brain state. In this state, your brain waves align in perfect harmony. This harmony doesn't remain confined to your mind. It extends outward, generating an electromagnetic field that interacts with the world around you. This is why people who master these principles seem to attract good fortune wherever they go. They are actively shifting the electromagnetic frequency of their environment. Think about those moments when you've been thinking about someone and they unexpectedly reach out to you. That's not a coincidence. It's the same principle in action. Your focused thought, infused with emotion, creates a genuine connection. Now, imagine applying this principle to your goals and desires, but this time with clear, deliberate intention and mindfulness. The difference between those who successfully manifest their dreams and those who don't isn't just luck or even hard work. It's their ability to consistently maintain this coherent state. It's like tuning a radio to the perfect frequency and keeping it there, no matter the distractions or interference. Once you understand this, you'll realize that manifestation isn't about wishing or hoping. It's about aligning your inner state with the reality you want to attract. The 7 words I'm about to reveal are powerful, not only in their meaning, but also in the energy they carry. This is ancient wisdom passed down through generations, rooted in teachings of balance, mindfulness, and gratitude, core principles of Buddhism. Just as the Buddha taught that the mind shapes reality, these words hold the potential to reshape yours. But before I share them, let me explain why they carry such transformative power. In Buddhist philosophy, everything in the universe is interconnected through energy and vibration. When you speak words, they don't just exist as sounds. They resonate with the universe. Every sound and thought creates energy that ripples through the cosmos, shaping your experience of reality. This is why aligning your thoughts, words, and intentions with the universal laws of cause and effect, or karma, is so important. When you speak words of gratitude, you're not only acknowledging the blessings in your life, but also generating positive energy that ripples outward, attracting even more reasons to be grateful. Now, let me share with you 7 transformative words. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You might wonder, is that it? But the power of these words lies not just in their repetition, but in their ability to align you with the law of interdependence and gratitude as taught in Buddhism. In Buddhist tradition, gratitude is considered one of the highest forms of mindfulness, a way to cultivate awareness and presence. When you express genuine gratitude, you activate parts of your brain that release positive neurochemicals, creating a powerful field of attraction around you. True gratitude transforms your mind and spirit. connecting you deeply with the present moment and the interconnectedness of all things. The number 7 also holds profound significance in both quantum physics and Buddhist teachings. In quantum physics, 7 represents the completion of a cycle, much like the 7 chakras or the 7 days of creation. It's a number symbolizing balance and harmony. When you say thank you 7 times, you create a complete cycle of energy akin to the cycles of birth, life, death, and rebirth in Buddhism. Each thank you adds momentum to your intentions, generating a harmonious vibration that aligns your heart, mind, and spirit with your desires. But simply knowing these words is only part of the equation. How you use them determines their true power. The key to unlocking their full potential lies in the practice of mindfulness, being fully present with each word you say. The ideal time to practice this is during the golden hours, those precious moments just before you fall asleep and just after you wake up. Why? Because during these times, your mind is naturally in a relaxed, meditative state, making it easier to access your subconscious, the realm of deep transformation. In Buddhism, this is similar to the practice of vipassana, where mindfulness leads to insight and understanding. During these golden hours, your brain operates at lower frequencies, in alpha and theta states, allowing you to reach a deeper level of consciousness and connect with the universe on a profound level. In these moments, your mind is most receptive to positive changes and new possibilities. So, the next time life feels misaligned with your desires, try this. Say these words with deep intention, focus, and gratitude. Let each thank you resonate within you, cultivating a sense of mindfulness that not only attracts positive energy, but also brings you closer to the true essence of your being. When you practice gratitude with mindfulness, you create the conditions for lasting change and transformation. The universe is always listening. It's time to align yourself with its infinite wisdom. Begin by finding a quiet and peaceful space, free from distractions. This is a crucial step, as your practice must remain undisturbed by external energies that could influence your vibration. Sit or lie down comfortably, ensuring that you remain fully awake and present in the moment. Take 3 deep, calming breaths. With each exhale, visualize yourself releasing any negative thoughts, doubts, or energies that could block your manifestation. As you prepare to speak the words, form a clear mental image of what you are manifesting. However, here's an essential part that many overlook. Don't just visualize the final outcome. Feel the emotions as if it has already come to pass. If it's financial abundance, feel the peace and freedom it brings. If it's love, feel the connection and warmth. If it's success, feel the pride and fulfillment. These emotions are the fuel that ignites your desires. Now, let me emphasize something very important: why it is crucial to keep your words and intentions private. This isn't about secrecy for its own sake. It's about protecting the energy of your manifestation. Think of it this way: manifestation is like planting a seed. The Buddha taught that we must nurture the seed of intention with right mindfulness, Dhammapada 223, which speaks to the power of intention and patience. Just as a seed requires time, space, and the right environment to grow, so do your desires. If you share them too early, you may expose them to external energies, doubts, skepticism, or even negativity that can disrupt their growth. The Buddha's teachings on right speech guide us here. Speak only that which will benefit others, Dhammapada 133. Similarly, keep your practice to yourself, so it can develop without external influence. When you share your goals prematurely, you introduce other people's vibrations, thoughts, and doubts into your manifestation field. Even well-meaning individuals can unknowingly disturb the frequency you are working to create. It's akin to trying to tune a radio while someone else is simultaneously turning the dial. This act of faith aligns with the Buddhist teachings on right intent. It is about living in harmony with the universe and trusting that what you need will manifest at the right time. The practice of gratitude before manifestation is a profound act of faith. It reflects the belief that the universe will provide, just as the Buddha trusted in the law of karma, that our actions, thoughts, and intentions always come full circle. When you can express gratitude even before the manifestation appears, you align yourself with the universal flow of abundance, trusting in the interconnectedness of all things. This is a core practice in Buddhism, acknowledging the impermanence of everything and cultivating joy and contentment in the present moment, rather than waiting for external circumstances to change. Gratitude brings you into the present, allowing you to see the divine potential in every moment, even before the fruits of your efforts materialize. In summary, keeping your manifestation practice private, nurturing it in silence, and expressing gratitude for the unseen are all deeply rooted in Buddhist wisdom. As the Buddha taught, what you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. This teaching resonates with the power of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the universe, knowing that everything you need is already within you, ready to manifest when the time is right.